guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blows. Welcome to another weekend product review. For all you subscribers who know my channel, on my weekend product reviews, I have about 8 or 10 security cameras around my house. It's like Fort Knox. I'll show it to you right now. So I've got this solar one over here. I've got 2 hardwired ones there and another solar one with a spotlight. I've got a solar pan camera right there. Got another hardwired one there, along with another solar one over there. My front steps, I have a doorbell camera. And also another hardwired one. And on the other side of the house, I have another pan solar one. So why do I need more? Well, because I want to get rid of the one that's hardwired. I only like the solar cameras because you don't depend on anything but the power of the sun for free energy. This is a PT solar power camera. And the best part about this is this uses the same app as 2 of my other cameras. So I don't need 8 different apps on my phone to look at the different cameras. I could just use the Cloud Edge app, which I love. I'll be able to put this along with the other 2, so one app will be able to see 3 different cameras around my house. So here are instructions and a guide to where you drill, some insulation, and this is the best part of it. I will say this though, this is the solar panel that's included that goes to a micro USB that connects to the camera. Also has the stand where you can mount your solar panel. I will tell you this, it's a nice white 360 degree pan camera, right? Problem is, this is white. Why would you give me a black solar panel for a white camera? If you're gonna give me a white camera, you should have a white solar panel. Does that not make sense to you? So I'm gonna mount this mount onto the solar panel. So we're going to peel this off from shipping. These are the antennas that once you mount it, you can kind of experiment what gives you the best Wi-Fi signal. Over here is a rubber grommet to insert your USB, micro USB plug for the power, which connects to your solar panel as such. On this side is where you put your TF or micro SD card, which is not included. I wish they would just give us the card. They're so cheap. Now I have to stop what I'm doing and go to a store and buy one. I might have to steal this off of one of my other cameras. There's a reset and an on and off button for you to pair this unit onto your phone. It only requires 2.4 gigahertz routers. It does not work for 5 gigabyte ones. So let's find a location for us to mount this. To mount it, this panel comes off. You would drill the included hardware screws and anchors through this panel here. Once you find a place to put it, you then put another screw in there to adhere it to this. That's how you mount it. We're going to mount it something like that. Like I said, this does pan 360 degrees up and down. In addition, you can also use the intercom system, and also it has spotlights when it detects motion. You could set it to humanized motion, which is different from trees moving around. It also has night vision, intelligent vision, and it's also waterproof for all weather. So I successfully paired it to the Cloud Edge app. Just download Cloud Edge on either iOS or Android. So this is the, I don't know why they make it so hard to pronounce. Aomeisi? Why can't you come up with a name that's easier to remember? Aomeisi? Nobody's going to remember that name. But anyway, this is the Aomeisi pan camera. We're going to go and install it now. I'm going to remove my old one, and then you guys are going to get a kick out of how I install this. It's I might injure myself. So here's the view of my backyard. And there is the camera. The bottom camera that I want to remove and put the Aomeisi pan camera on there. How am I going to get there? we've concocted this platform on a ladder. I hope I don't fall. Okay, I'm all set. As you can see, I've got it turned into the house. But this is what I was talking about. The black wire, you can clearly see that black wire hanging there. It's very messy looking, but camera works very well. It's very clear. Notice how it pans right now, and also using the intercom, it's very loud. As you can see, I'm finished. Now I'm going to use the pan. Yeah. That. You were here. So that's the Aomeisi 360-degree pan camera, battery camera, solar powered, works great, intercom, infrared, ultraviolet, night vision, spotlight, alarm, records on a loop with your TF or SD micro USB card, and you can charge it with a USB cable that's included, but mostly it's self-powered by the free energy from the sun, which I love. I wish the solar panel was white with white wires so that the black wires don't look so messy, but it seems to work very well. It's super clear also, as you guys saw. So now I'm loaded with pan cameras all around my house, and I feel very secure. If you guys are interested, go check out the link in the description. And thanks a lot for joining me on another weekend product review here at Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, I'm Andy from Jericho. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.